Esther was very curious to know about the owner of the place, and when he went down the stairs, he saw a workshop, and there he saw the owner, that is the weaver, who was sitting at his loom. So, when the minister saw the great wheel standing in the corner and had guessed the use of it, he heaved a great sigh of relief. He hoped that he was at the right place. So, without much ado, he told the story of Inboy and the circle made by him. Then he added that the person who could explain the meaning of this riddle should be handsomely rewarded. So, when the minister saw the weaver, he took a sigh of relief. He took a breath of relief that he was at the right place, and without wasting his time, he told a story. He told the story of invoice and circle made by him to the weaver, and he also added it that whosoever be able to solve this riddle created by the envoy, he or she will be rewarded. So come with me at once, said the minister, as there is no time to waste. The weaver stood thinking for a moment and then walked outside to a hen coop with two knuckle bones lying beside it. He picked them up, taking the hen from the coop. He tucked it under his arm. I am ready, he answered, turning towards the minister. So the minister said, come with me, as we have no time, please, only you are the person who is able to solve this riddle, and if you solve this riddle you will be rewarded. Okay, so the weaver took some time to think, and then he went outside to a hen coop. Is the house of the hen. He went to the outside to a hen coop, and lying there was two knuckle bones were there besides the hen. So he picked them up and take the hen also along with the knuckle bones, and tucked it under his arm. Tucked it means put it under his arm, and he said, I am ready, turning towards the minister. So I hope today we'll stop the story here only. We'll continue in the next lesson, in the next class. So till read the story up till here and try to find the meaning of difficult words on your own, like demeanor. I told you the meaning of demeanor is behavior. Beheld means to look upon. Willow, I told you it is a type of tree, and stare means to look, give a vacant look. Mapped, I told you, represent an area on a map. So I hope the story up till here is clear to you, and read this story up till here yourself. Also do the reading practice too. I hope today's lecture is interesting for you, as we did activity first and then we read the chapter, and just do your work. Whatever question answers and word meanings has been given to you in your fair notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.